Hello, welcome to Philip Slots. It's time to talk seeds. Yes, it's cold outside, there's snow everywhere, but we want to go ahead and get our seeds ordered so we can get planting when it's time. And I've got the whole seed catalog here, which we're going to go through. Now, I'm not going to sit here and hold this open, be kind of an eye chart for you guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over, we're going to get on the computer, and I'm just going to go ahead and share out the screen. They do have a website. It's the rareseeds.com, and full disclaimer, I'm not being paid by them or anything. This is my first time using them, so we'll see how that goes. We'll see what we get compared to what was advertised, etc. But yeah, I mean, it's fascinating. This is nice big catalog. Reminds me of the old Sears catalogs, and they've got so many unique items in here, different plants that you can grow. And yeah, I just want to see what we can do this year, what we can do differently. A lot of greenhouses, nurseries, they kind of stock what sells a lot of, not the oddball stuff that, some of us, like me, like to try, like to try different things. So we're going to go ahead and jump on the computer and take a look at the catalog online and just kind of give you guys an idea of some of the things that I'm looking to plant this year. And yeah, should be fun. So come on, let's get on the computer. All right, so let's get started. Here's their website, and they've got the catalog here. You can go ahead and order that big catalog, 452 pages, and they have a free one, which is a little bit less than half that size. So I'm not sure what the difference is, but you can get a free catalog from them, or you can just go ahead and peruse online. Now I'm going to go ahead up here. They type keyword or item number. I'm going to go ahead and type the item numbers for the ones that I was looking at. So we take a look at some of these. And the first one we're going to do is AM105. And this is a Chinese multicolor spinach. And I just think this is, really pretty. I mean, this is something you can just have as an ornamental kind of thing. And hey, you can go ahead and eat it too. So let me go ahead and blow that up for you there. I mean, that's a really nice, it looks like something, you see in, like a flower store. You could have that planted in your house, in a pot or something. So that's the first one I'm looking at. Again, something a little bit different. Add some definite color to the garden. And now we'll go on to the next one here. This one here is really unique. This here is a, Chinese python snake bean. I mentioned this in one of my previous videos. And, this thing is just huge. This guy here, he's freaking out. He's being attacked by his bean. So, I mean, these things are just really big. So I'm, curious to go ahead and try growing some of these. Interesting flower there. And I don't think, again, a lot of these, are relatively cheap. They only cost $3, $4. This one here, $3. You only get 5 seeds for it. So we'll see what happens. See if we can get these to grow. And then let's see, on to the next one. And this here is one that I may get for, later in the year, kind of uses maybe like a cover crop. And this is a buckwheat. I like buckwheat. I've had buckwheat pancakes. I like those. And I'm just really interested in trying some of these out. This one here, you get 500 seeds. So you get plenty of seeds there. And I may just try to do like a small bed of these and, just see how they grow. I'm may need to do a little research first, kind of leery that they may spread and, kind of take over the garden or something, but, we'll see what happens. Again, this is, something new I've never grown before. Let's take a look at this picture. Oh, those are the seeds. But yeah, I mean, lots of beautiful flowers there, probably attract lots of bees. So It's all good. Alrighty, let's go for the next one here. CR142. Alright. And, yeah, these are, some interesting carrots. They're, some big fat gold carrots. Uzbekistan, Central Asia is where these are from. So these are, again, just something that I think it'd be interesting to grow. I haven't done anything like this before. Try a new carrot and confuse the rabbits in the neighborhood. So, with this one here, you're getting, for $3.50, you're getting minimum seed count of 300, which is a lot less than what you get when you buy those little packets at the store. I mean, I think a lot of times you maybe get 50, 100 seeds. Kind of depends, I guess. But yeah, I think that's a pretty good deal there. You try out those and see how that goes. Oh, here's another carrot, which I've actually had some of these in a packet of mixed carrot seeds, but I didn't get too many. I had like a couple of them, and these are, a really dark carrot, and, from what I understand, their juice will, can color things. Take a look at that. Those are really big. I think the ones I had did not get that big, so may have been some other hybrid type variety or something. But yeah, interesting carrot again. We're gonna confuse the rabbits, the wild rabbits in the yard. They're not gonna be sure what those things are. So let's go on to the next one. And here's some more berries that I want to go ahead and try to grow. It says these were brought to Kansas by Volga German immigrants about 1875. And we may have to look up some of these recipes. I'm not sure what Kuchen or I'm not even going to try pruning these words here. Maltischen, clump, knibbel. Says eat only fully ripe, dark blue blackberries. So yeah, these look pretty interesting. So nice big berries. Looks like a blueberry. Supposed to taste like a blackberry. So we'll see how these go. Alrighty. And here's another berry, which I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Chichiquelite? Chichiquelite? I'm not. Huckleberry? Not quite sure. But these are, supposed to, have a relatively large size, give heavier yields than regular wonder berries. We get 30 seeds out of those. So we can try to grow some of those. And hey, if we have a good crop on all these berries, we can make some jam or jellies. It's all good. All right. Then we can enjoy that in the winter next year. Let's see what this one is. Oh yeah, this here. It's another one, again, looking for different colors of things to grow, something that kind of stands out. There's a purple Lady Bok choy. Let's see, from pictures in the book, it looked, like it was relatively, a small head, you know what I mean? And, yeah, I think those, be great addition to salads, starting doing some stir fry, etc. So, and again, adding some unique color to your garden, have the neighbors guessing, wondering what's going on here. And again, here we got what $3.50, and we're going to get 300 seeds. So I'm going to have to get a bigger yard just so I can plant all these things. All right, what's the next one here? Let's see, PP211. Oh, and these are some beautiful peppers. They look like little hearts. These are a sweet pepper. They're not, a spicy pepper, which they do have on this site. If if you're into spicy peppers, you can definitely go for that. But these just look really awesome to me. You can see, decent size. They're supposed to be nice and meaty pepper, so we'll go ahead and try to give those a shot. $3. Here you're only getting 10 seeds, but just remember to save your seeds. If you grow these, save your seeds. You can make more next year. So, and plants are stocky and high yielding. So, overall rugged and easy to grow pepper. So yeah, we'll go ahead and give those a shot. Hopefully those 10 seeds, pay off and life will be great. Love peppers. 7. Okay, now here's an interesting one. This one here is a strawberry spinach plant. Basically, you can eat the leaves, and you can also eat these little berry cluster things. They kind of remind me of mulberry or something like that. So, but yeah, you're able to eat the leaves, just like you would a spinach. Put it in a salad. You could probably even put the berries into your salad. So again, something new to try. Add color and some new flavors to your garden. And again, these are things that I'm looking at. You may have different interests or, different space requirements. I'm going to have to really look at these and, I want to go out and get all this stuff. And then I'm going to have to where am I going to put everything else that I want to do? Because I want to do, some tomatoes and all that kind of stuff as well. So I'm going to have to maybe expand the garden a little bit. We'll see. All right, next up. Okay, yeah, this is an interesting one too. I'm kind of on the fence. I may go ahead and do it. It's a little bit more expensive, $4. You only get 15 seeds. But seems pretty interesting. One of the things that kind of catches my eye is traditionally in folk medicine for arthritis. I have some arthritis going on, and so hey, anything there, go for it. Hey, what the heck? Try natural remedies. So here, I'll blow that up so you can see the Job's tears. Again, another interesting plant. And as it says here, you can use it as an herb, grain, vegetable, or even an ornamental bead. So you can take these and see how these beads are multicolored, etc. You can make necklaces for your kids out of those. So lots of different things we can do out here. Nature's wonderful. So, and we'll go on to our last one here that I had selected up, HB 245. And this here is a Moringa plant, which again, this is supposed to be really good for like arthritis and so forth that I've seen. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a shot. They talk about growing it as an annual. I kind of want to see if I don't know if I could grow this, outside and then bring it inside in the wintertime in a big pot or something like that. Keep it going. But yeah, it's supposed to be really awesome. It's got what we got here? 46 antioxidants, 18 amino acids. And it's a complete protein. So yeah, look up Moringa. It's one of those superfoods that we just don't hear about here, but I'm interested to try it. See what we can add it to. As far as cooking goes. They have. There she is. She's happy holding her moringa leaves. Probably wondering, Mom, why do you got me here? So, but yeah, I mean, it's a wonderful herb plant. Like I say, it's one of those things where it's like, oh, this has, it's too good to be true. But I've looked at a lot of different things on it, and it's pretty promising. So, anyways, kind of want to try that as well. Again, want to, go the natural route as far as healing it whenever possible. So, they do have a warning here. Roots are reputed to be poisonous, so don't eat the roots. So stick with the leaves, etc. So, I think this would be a lot tastier than, getting like Moringa powder, from the store or something. So, yeah, I think that'd be pretty awesome. So, anyways, take a look, at this catalog. Is there another catalog or, site online that you go to? Let me know. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed going through the catalog there, seeing some of the things that I'm looking to purchase, and, gonna have fun with this summer. We'll see how this grows, see if I can get it to come up, weather permitting. So, right now it's pretty icy outside, but it won't last forever. Never does. So, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that. If you have any, urges to plant something different, unusual, let us know below. Go ahead and leave a comment. Let us know what, unique item you might be trying new this year. Or maybe it's not that unique. Maybe it's just something new that, hey, I haven't tried doing this. Let's try it. Let's try to do, carrots in a pot on our deck or something like that. Let's, do something different. So, anyways, it's always, good to keep thinking and coming up with new ideas, new experiences. So, until next time, keep thinking, guys.